Hey, what's going on, everybody? Just came across this 19. Hey, how's it going? This 1972 Honda that I picked up, and I was wondering if anybody knows where I can get engine parts for this, or what kind of engine will fit in it. Pretty clean little old car. Pretty much got most of the engine in it. Looks like it's missing the cam distributor. Wanted to see if anybody knew where I can get parts for this thing before I get the engine loose and start spinning it around. It's been sitting. Got it out of East Texas. Found it in some weeds. Didn't look like this when I seen it. All you could see was just the roof. Anyhow, any help would greatly be appreciated. Love would to hear this thing run again. Pretty complete. All right, peeps, let me know if y'all can help. Thank y'all.